Hey everyone, Technoment here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do before and after picture on your iPhone now without any third-party apps. You can do it with the apps that are already on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to make these before and after picture on one photo, what you're going to do is create a shortcut. That's a built-in app on your iPhone. So what you do is find this shortcut apps. Now if you don't have this or you delete it by accident, you can also go to the App Store and re-download it. It's a built-in app on the latest iOS version. You can search for shortcuts and it will come up. Again, it's an app from Apple, so you can use it and it should be on your phone. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we'll go ahead and open up shortcuts here. Now we want to create a shortcut by clicking on that plus icon here. So make sure you're on the shortcuts tab and then you're going to just simply click on that plus icon up here. And now we're going to rename this shortcut maybe to something that we can remember. So I'll do before and after photo, something like that. Just basically anything you can remember. We'll hit done here. So we have a name for our shortcut. From there on, we're going to go down here to the search for apps in action. We'll click on it. And the first thing we're going to search for is select photo. So select that option, and from there on we're going to click on that arrow pointing to the right here, and then we're going to make sure that we select multiple, and then we're going to select or search for another apps or action, and this time we're going to search for combine images. So click on that, and from there on, now it depends how do you want the before and after. If you want the horizontal or vertical, up and down, you could click on this text to put your preference. Most likely we will choose vertical, but if you want the horizontal, if you want the vertical, you can choose that as well. Or if you have multiple photos, you can always click on a grid as well. So we'll leave it as is, but that's an option you can change. And then if you click on that arrow pointing up, you can also change a space. If you want a spacing between them, you can leave it at 0 if you don't want to mess with that. Now the next thing you want to do is, of course, save that photo. So we're going to search for, again, one more time here, we're going to search to save to photo album. So we'll click on that, and now we're basically ready to have this shortcut for us to be able to do before and after picture. Now what you can do is click on that arrow pointing up here. You can add it to your home screen if you like, or keep it as a shortcut. This is optional. So if I want to create an app on your phone's home screen where you can use this every time, we can use that. And then you can select something like this. Doesn't really matter. We'll click on done here, and as you can see here, we have before and after app basically we created ourselves, which is a shortcut that I can activate. And to demo how this works is when you click on it, it's going to open up the Photos app and ask you to select the two photos that you want to do before and after. So click on these two photos, click on add, and it will begin running that shortcut. And you might not see anything. That's because we remember we saved it to our photos. So you can go to the Photos app, open it up, and right now, right here, as you can see, it created a before and after picture for us, just like that. And of course, from here, if you want, you can add text as well. If you like, click on edit. As you can see, there's option to add text. If you want to mark up things like add before and after, where you can add text here by clicking on that. And then, if you want to be creative, if you're looking to add text here, you can change up the text and the color and all that like you would normally do with the markup. But you're basically having the photo before and after just like that. And the good thing about this is that you can apply this multiple times. You don't have to do the same step over and over again. Each time you want to create a before and after, simply click on it. It will pop up, and then you can select two photos, and same thing, and you can keep on doing it every time you want to do a before and after comparison of photos, just like this. It will come up as well. So that's how you do before and after on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.